Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sarotha here and I'm here to help you create the life you love. So today I'm at Kapika Waterfall Lodge in Opuwo, in Epupa to be exact. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the rooms, the place and just the views and give my review on it. It is cute guys, look at those views already. Look at them. I love it here.
Kapika Water Lodge is a tranquil and picturesque lodge located in the remote and captivating region of northwestern Namibia.
So this is the rooms at Kapika. I'm opening it, so let's just bear with me. Okay, this is how it is once you enter. Let me just switch on the light. There's no electricity. Okay, once you enter, there's like a sitting area, some cupboard space, and then you have your toilet here. Okay, and then the basin, and then your shower, and then you have the room, the beds. So it's like twin bed, single beds, two of them, both with bed. Yeah, that's all.
Surrounded by mountains, lush greenery, and the calming sounds of water, Kapika Waterfall Lodge is an ideal destination for those seeking a peaceful and unforgettable escape from the hustle and bustle of the city.